What is meant by inverse function? In mathematics, an inverse function is a function that reverses another function. Let us start with an example. Here we have the function f of x equals 5 multiplied by x plus 3. We can show this as a flow diagram. Input of x multiplied by 5 giving us 5x, and add 3 resulting in 5x plus 3. The inverse function goes the other way. In this case, we will take the variable y, subtract 3 giving us y take away 3, followed by division by 5 resulting in y take away 3 all over 5 or divided by 5. So the inverse of 5x plus 3 is bracket open y take away 3 bracket close divided by 5. The inverse is usually shown by putting a little -1 after the function's name, like this. We say inverse function of y. So the inverse of f of x equals 5x plus 3 is written as inverse function of y, which equals bracket open y take away 3 bracket close divided by 5. I used y instead of x to show that we are using a different value.